Take photos now, write your details later. I was just like most reporters out there, at least the ones who used to go out there with pen and paper before iPhones. I know a lot of people still do, but basically I used to sit out there, especially if it was for a big feature, a descriptive piece, if I was going for a narrative lead or something, sitting writing, oh, she has blue gloves on, he's got, this kind of jeans on. That's great. And sometimes that detail is important later, sometimes they aren't. But my point is, simplest thing, this is the most intuitive advice I ever gave you. Take a picture. Take a picture now and write about it later. Don't spend your time. If you're there, if you're there on the scene, if you're reporting on something, do the reporting that you can actually, get done there. Interact with people if possible. The easiest thing in the world. Take a picture now, write the details down later.